Is your Amazfit watch refusing to charge no matter how many times you plug it in? Don't worry, because I have the 10 best solutions to get your battery back to 100% right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Usually, your Amazfit stops charging because of a thin layer of oxidation on the gold pins, or a software glitch that prevents the charging animation from appearing. Let us fix this fast. Step 1 is to clean the gold charging contacts. Use a cotton swab with a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol to wipe the back of the watch and the pins on the charger. Body oils and sweat create a non-conductive barrier that blocks the electricity. Step 2 is to check the magnetic alignment. Amazfit chargers are magnetic, but they can easily sit slightly tilted. Make sure the pins are perfectly centered and flush against the back of the watch. Step 3 is to switch your power source. If you are using a wall adapter, try a laptop, USB port, or a power bank. Sometimes a wall brick provides too much current, and the watch's safety circuit will shut down the charging process. Step 4 is to inspect the cable for internal breaks. Run your fingers down the length of the wire to feel for any sharp bends or frayed sections. If the wire is damaged inside, the watch will not receive a steady charge. Step 5 is to perform a forced restart while it is plugged in. Connect the watch to power and hold down the side button for 15 seconds. This can wake up the charging controller if it has crashed. Step 6 is to clean out the USB plug itself. Dust and lint inside the large USB connector can prevent it from making a full connection with your charger brick. Use a toothpick to gently clear out any debris. Step 7 is to leave the watch on the charger for at least 1 hour. If your battery hit 0% and stayed there, it might need a long time to reach the minimum voltage required to turn the screen back on. Step 8 is to check for moisture. If you recently washed your hands or went for a run, dry the watch and the charger completely. Moisture between the pins can cause a short circuit that prevents charging. Step 9 is to use a low-power charging head. Avoid using high-wattage fast chargers from your smartphone. A basic 5-volt 1-amp adapter is the most reliable way to charge small wearable devices safely. Step 10 is to check for updates in the Zepp app. If your watch has a little power left, ensure you are running the latest firmware. Sometimes a bug in the software prevents the watch from recognizing the charging cable. Here's a quick bonus tip for you. If the magnets feel weak and the charger keeps slipping off, use a rubber band to hold the charger tightly against the watch for an hour. This ensures constant contact while the battery recovers its initial charge. If you face any difficulty with these steps, please leave a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you get it working. If this video fixed your charging issue, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Keep your gear powered up and ready for action.